Hey everyone, welcome back to Miahz TV, your all-in-one hub for cryptocurrency updates, money-making tips, finance insights, and everything money-related. Today we're diving into a unique and fun way to earn extra cash, getting paid just to listen to music. Imagine earning money while jamming to your favorite tunes. In this video, I'll walk you through the best platforms that pay you for reviewing new tracks, explain how each one works, and share tips on how to maximize your earnings. If you love music and want a cool side hustle, you're in the right place. Quick disclaimer: the platforms and methods discussed in this video are for informational and educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and your earnings depend on your own effort and experience. Always do your own research before investing your time. Let's start with the basics. Music review platforms are websites and apps that pay you to listen to new songs and provide feedback. Artists and record labels use your reviews to fine-tune their tracks before the official release. In exchange, you earn cash rewards for your opinions, all without any upfront investment. It's a win-win. You discover new music, and artists get the insights they need to improve. One of the pioneers in this space is ChatGPT. Here's how it works. Sign up and get approved, join for free, and complete a brief approval process to confirm you're a genuine music lover. Listen and review. Listen to a snippet of a new track and write a short review or rate it. Earn cash. Your review is rated by other users. The better your feedback, the higher your payout. ChatGPT is user-friendly and offers a steady flow of new music, making it an excellent starting point for earning extra cash. Next up is Music X-Ray. This platform connects you with emerging artists and often requires more detailed feedback. Here, you'll provide insights on production quality, lyrics, and overall vibe. Because the reviews are more in-depth, you might earn a little more per review compared to other sites. Your thoughtful feedback not only helps artists improve their music, but also boosts your earnings. Another exciting platform is Hit Predictor. Like ChatGPT, Hit Predictor pays you for quick opinions on new songs. It's designed for rapid, engaging reviews with bonus rewards for frequent participation. Regular reviewers might even gain access to exclusive unreleased tracks. If you love fast-paced review opportunities and want to stay on top of the latest music trends, Hit Predictor is a great choice. Besides the major platforms we've covered, ChatGPT, Music X-Ray, and Hit Predictor, there are other emerging opportunities in the music review niche: beta testing new music apps. Some new streaming services pay you for testing and providing feedback on their app. Survey sites with music sections. Certain survey websites include sections for music reviews, offering another way to earn extra cash. New music review apps. Keep an eye on tech forums for beta versions of review apps that often reward early users with higher payouts. These opportunities can help you diversify your income streams and boost your overall earnings. Let's talk about some strategies to maximize your earnings from these platforms. Be consistent. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to review new tracks consistently. Focus on quality. Write detailed and honest reviews. The more helpful your feedback, the better your payout. Engage with the community. Join forums, follow updates, and interact with other reviewers to learn tips and unlock bonus opportunities. Stay organized. Use a spreadsheet or a task management app to track your reviews, earnings, and deadlines. Diversify your platforms. Don't rely on just one site. Sign up for multiple platforms to maximize your income. While getting paid to listen to music is a fun side hustle, it's important to consider the pros and cons. Pros: enjoyable work. Get paid to listen to and review music you already love. Flexible schedule. Work on your own time. Perfect for students or anyone looking for a side gig. Discover new music. Stay updated with emerging artists and fresh tracks. Cons: modest earnings. The payouts are generally small, so think of it as extra cash rather than a full-time income. Time commitment. It takes consistent effort to see meaningful returns. Platform variability. Different platforms have varying payout structures and requirements. Knowing these factors will help you set realistic expectations and choose the right platforms for your lifestyle. Looking to the future, The landscape for earning money through music reviews is set to evolve. Here are some trends to watch. Blockchain-based rewards. Future platforms might use blockchain to offer transparent, token-based rewards. Social media integration. Sharing your reviews on social platforms could earn you extra bonuses. Personalized review opportunities. Platforms may tailor assignments based on your music preferences, potentially increasing your earnings. These innovations promise to make the process even more engaging and rewarding in the coming years. In conclusion, getting paid to listen to music isn't just a quirky idea. It's a legitimate way to earn extra cash doing something you love. With platforms like Slice.pi, Music X-Ray, and Hit Predictor, plus emerging opportunities on the horizon, you have plenty of options to explore. Just remember to stay consistent, provide quality reviews, and always keep an eye out for new opportunities. Thank you for watching Miahz TV. If you found this video insightful, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Share this video with your friends who love music, and let's make money while rocking out together. Don't forget, subscribe for more ways to make money online and stay updated on the latest trends in crypto, finance, and side hustles.